Guys, maglaro nga pala tayo ng ML. Ayan guys. Nandito na tayo sa ML. Guys, kung gusto nyo maglaro ako ng ML guys, subscribe lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Tapos click nyo na rin po yung subscribe button para updated kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Ayun lang guys, ML na tayo. Gusto nyo guys maglaro ako neto, subscribe kayo guys. Mia ang gamit natin, ayun lang yung favorite ano ko. Kung gusto nyo gumamit ako ng mga ibang characters sa ML, mag-comment lang kayo sa aking channel para malaman ko kung anong gusto nyo. Ayun yung pipiliin natin. Maliwanag ba guys? Ayan na guys, ML na tayo. Kapag okay, eto, kung gusto nyo maglaro ako nito palagi, mag-like kayo, ipaabot nyo yung like natin ng 3K lang, 3K like. Ayun guys, maglalaro tayo. Ayun, maglalaro tayo ng palagi ng ML. Guys, di na Roblox. Minsan na lang tayo mag-upload ng Roblox. Maliwanag ba guys? Paabutin nyo muna. Di nyo ako mapipigilan. Na guys. Tara.
The enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All guys, deployed. As twilight falls, the new moon draws near. Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering we'll go through.
Guys, mag-subscribe kayo guys, tapos napatay kita si Balmon.
For Avria, our last homeland.
Kasi matakbo si Balmon eh.
First
one. Napatay ko na abutin ng araw. Wala yung minion.
Trespassers will not be tolerated. A gift from the great forest.
Guys, ayusin ko guys para sa inyo.
The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest.
Wala mo malapit.
My aim is true. The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness. An enemy has been slain!
Inuulit ko guys, kung gusto nyo maglaro ko nito palagi, maabutin nyo guys.
The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated.
Guys, tapos paabot. Ayun na guys, ayun lang. Like
Watch your back.
Balmon guys!
Fade into the moonlight.
Ay, ba't ako na ganun guys? Pindot ko. Yan! Napatay ako. Tamba lang guys, tamba lang. Aayusin ko na guys. Para sa inyo, ayusin ko na.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Okay guys.
The way of the hunter. Killing spree! Respectful and sincere.
Yun na guys, napatay si Balmon. Push lang tayo guys, push.
The forest might burn.
Guys.
The moon may be dark, but our hope outlives everything. The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes.
Inaatake yung kanya. Guys, nandiyan ka agad si Balmond dyan.
May the moon forever shine upon us.
Hindi ka makakapas.
Trespassers will not be tolerated.
Sisirain natin dito ko. Para sa inyo.
You destroy the turret.
Kahit ano pang gawin mo, Balmond, hindi mo matatalo.
Direction of sacred moonlight. My aim is
Hindi pa ako
true.
matatalo kasi lang yung
Shut down.
baka perte sila. Matalo.
You can't run from my arrow.
Hindi kayo makakatakbo doon sa
An
ano.
enemy has been slain.
Sugat yan. Ang araw. Ay, nagising lang agad si Balmond. Nagigising siya, guys.
Fade into the moonlight.
Kaya kahit ano gawin mo, Balmond, hindi mo na ako mapapatay. Ulo!
Yes.
Ayun na. Ayun na si Balmond sa baba niya.
My arrow is my answer.
Grabe talaga, guys. Pusher lang tayo dito. Push ng push. Para dito ano. Ay, grabe. Kumati si Balmond. Pinagbigan lang kaya ako ni Balmond, guys.
Killing spree. Bow before the glory of the moon goddess. Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering we'll go through. Our turret has been destroyed.
Balmond para sa'yo.
Shut down.
Comment lang kayo, guys, kung anong hero yung gagamitin ko. Tapos, yung binigay nyo sa akin na comment, i-shoutout ko rin kayo, syempre, guys. Shoutout. Tapos, gagamitin ko yung binigay nyo. I-rate ko, guys. I-rate ko. Kung gaano kaganda yung kinomment nyo. Sasabihin ko rin, guys, yung pangalan nyo.
Gorazria, our last homeland. Our turret has been destroyed. Wise choice. The forest might burn, the moon may be dark, but our hope outlives everything. Destroy the turret! Our turret is under attack.
Yan, yan.
The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness.
Nag-exposure lang tayo. Bakit may kambal tayo, guys? Kapatay ko agad.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest. An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable!
Hindi na po.
Your team destroyed the turret. Forever shine upon us. An ally has been slain.
Ano, Balmond? Kaya mo ako? Okay na, guys. Okay. Diyan nga pala magtatapos ang aking video.
Victory!
Guys, kung gusto nyo pa ng ML, guys, subscribe lang kayo. Okay, bye-bye!